Hello.
Hi, my name is Betul, and what is your name?
Hello, Betul. My name is Muhammad Ramzan.
Okay, it's nice to meet you, Mohammed Ramzan. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Okay, you're from India. What part of India?
I'm from northern part of India.
Okay,
Yes.
and where do you live?
You mean the specific state name? That is Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, Kashmir. Wait,
Yes,
yes.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, uh, known for, so where you live is known for tea, right? They're
No, no,
pink.
no. That is
No?
T is in Assam. Assam.
Oh, okay. All
Yes.
right. And so, what is known? What is your, um, I
Paradise
guess,
on earth.
excuse me?
Paradise on earth.
What is that? Can you describe that?
That is mean over in the Jammu and Kashmir, everywhere is greenery and
Oh,
there
okay.
are different lakes, and this is one of the most beautiful place on in India actually.
Wow. Okay. That
Yes,
sounds wonderful. And uh, are you originally from
yes.
this place?
Originally from
Okay.
Jammu and Kashmir. Yeah.
Okay. Is your family also from Jammu Kashmir?
Yes.
Okay. Have you traveled outside of your hometown?
Uh, I mean, I traveled in India, but not in any other country.
Okay, well, India is a very big country, so I'm sure there's a lot to see.
Yes.
Where has been your favorite place that you have visited in India?
That was sorry. There are a lot of places, but
Your
mostly
favorite.
I couldn't able to visit to any favorite because I was studying and then I was doing job. So accordingly,
Mm-hmm.
I shifted from my hometown to the other states.
Okay, and what do you do for work?
I am a software engineer and I develop websites and mobile apps.
Okay, that's exciting.
Yes.
And I'm assuming you work from home.
Yes, correct. I have my own office.
Mm-hmm.
So I work from home. I take projects from other clients and try to work on my own projects as well.
Okay, very good. And um, sorry, one moment. I keep hearing myself in the background. Why did you want to learn English?
Actually, this is my basic need because in order to connect with international clients and arrange the meeting and communicating with them, so English is important for me. And
Mm-hmm.
mostly spoken English is important because when I do any type of meeting, so at that moment, if there are people from other countries, so they have different accent and they try to, uh, I mean, re- they try to explain the problems of their websites or maybe mobile apps or maybe any new projects. So at that moment, I must have that type of listening capabilities and must have the proper communication skill to understand their problems and then give them the solutions.
Right. That makes sense. So I'm sorry, do you have headphones?
No, I don't have. You are not able to listen?
I No, I can just hear myself on your audio. So I'm echoing. But
Okay.
that's
Yes,
fine.
yes.
So you want to work on your listening skills and your pronunciation. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So if you would like, we could maybe day on some pronunciation of letters.
Yes, please.
Okay. So TH versus T. Can you read these two words for me?
Okay. Thanks. Tank.
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 Yes, tank.
Tank. Then we have thin, tin.
Thin and tin.
Tin. Yes. Thin and tin.
Yes, very good.
Thought and taught.
Can you continue reading the list for me?
Yes. Bath, bat. Both, boat. Path, pat. Cloth, cloth. Thread, thread. Treat.
Tread.
Tread. Okay. Through and true.
Yes.
And
Last one.
thug and tug.
Very good. Are there any words you do not know?
Yeah. Actually, these are like clot, clot.
Clot.
Yes.
So clot means when a liquid starts to, I guess,
Yes, yes.
clump.
I understand.
So
For example, people
blood
have
clot.
blood clot. Yeah.
Yes, usually you would use the word clot when describing blood.
Okay.
Because you know how it clumps together?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Are there any other words?
Yes, taught.
Tot
Yes.
means small child.
Okay.
It's not that commonly used of a word. Usually people don't refer to
Yes.
small children as tots.
And the tug.
Tug.
Yes.
So tug means to pull on something. So if I am tugging on my sweater.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. And then we have pat.
Pat.
Oh, okay. Yes, correct. Okay. Any next do you have?
Yes. One moment. Let's do P versus B.
Yes.
So pack and back.
Yes. Pack, back. Pin, pin, bin. Pot, bot. Mop, mob. Rope, robe.
Don't roll the R. You're rolling the R. You're going rope. It's
Okay.
just rope.
Okay. Robe,
Rope.
rope, robe. To repel, to rebel.
Yes, very good.
Pride, bride. Pie, buy. Flappy, flabby. Pen, ben.
Yes, very good. Are there any words that you are not familiar with?
Yes, that is mop, mop.
Mop.
Yes.
A mop.
Mop.
It's what you clean your floor with. Let me show you. It's just easier to show than describe. Okay, let me share my screen with you. This is a mop.
Okay. So, okay, yeah.
Okay.
And flabby, flabby.
So flabby would be, how to describe? It's like something that's kind of loose and let me find the direct
Yes,
definition of
okay, no
flabby.
problem. Okay, no problem. Leave it for now. Let's
Right.
practice
Soft,
the word.
loose, and fleshy.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Are there any other words?
No, no, please next, because I am just trying to practice my words pronunciation.
Words. Yes.
Words. Yes.
Yes.
So lice, rice. Long.
See, one moment. You're rolling the R
Mm-hmm.
when I mean rolling the R, it's the r, r,
Okay.
r. It's
Yes,
just
got it.
rice,
Rice.
not rice. It's
Okay.
rice.
Rice.
Yes, very good.
Long. Wrong. Lime. Rhyme.
Remember not to roll the R.
Rhyme. Rhyme.
Yes, rhyme.
Jelly. Jerry. Called. Card. Climb. Crime. Lead. Red. Lose. Ruse.
Ruse.
Ruse. Bling. Bring.
Yes.
Tall. Tar.
Yes, very good. Are there any words you do not know?
No, please next. I wanted to practice.
Okay. Very good.
Okay. Wet. Wet.
Yes.
West. West.
Vest. West.
West. Okay.
Yes.
Very. Very. Worry.
Very.
Very. And
Wary.
worry.
Wary.
Wary.
Yes.
Very. Wary. Okay. Rowing. Rowing.
Roving.
Rowing. And
And
rowing.
yes, rowing.
Rowing. Okay. While. While. Wine. Wine. Went. Went.
Yes. Vent.
Went.
Yes.
Virus. Virus. Wires. Wires.
Wires. Yes, wires.
Wires. Worst. Worst.
Versed.
Worst. Worst.
Yes.
Volley. Volley.
Wally.
Volley.
Yes, very good. Let's see if we can do another one before time runs out.
Yes, please. Boat. Boat. Vote.
Boat.
Bout. Boat. Vote.
Vote.
Vote. Best.
Boat. Yes.
Boat. Vote. Best. Vest. Biking. Oh, Viking.
Yes, Viking.
Dribble. Dribble. Dribble.
Yes, dribble.
Fiber. Fiber. Lightsabers. Lifesavers.
Lightsabers.
Lifesavers.
Lightsabers.
Lightsabers. And lifesavers.
Yes.
Robe. 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 Serve.
Wait a moment. You're rolling the R. Robe.
Oh, sorry. Robe and robe. Serve. Serve.
Yes.
Cupboard. Cupboard. Covered.
Yes.
Jibe and jibe.
Very good.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye.